Like he's all surprised, like she didn't know.
Thank you, Benny. Is this to clean up your messes?
Yep. Your message.
Your messes. Oh yeah. Well, I think we have to
Probably have to charge it
plug
first,
it
Ben.
in. That's nice. Thank you. Yeah?
The vacuum's like this.
Is it noisy or something?
I don't think
Or
so.
something. I love when he says that.
Too noisy
You're
or
so
something?
cute, Benny.
Thank you, Benny.
Give Mommy a hug and say Merry Christmas.
Merry
Oh.
Christmas.
That's so sweet.
Okay, now you get to open another one.
Who's this one?
Here, this is for you.
Thank you.
That's from Uncle Kevin.
This is for you, Uncle Kevin.
It is.
From Uncle Kevin.
Yep.
It's for
Yep.
you.
I'll open it. Who's this?
There you go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
How do I open this one?
Just like that.
Open this for me.
You can do it. Oh, let's see.
He's like, alright.
That's nice.
Oh.
What do you tell Uncle Kevin?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, he's so thankful.
Good
Here,
boy,
go put it
Benny.
with your other clothes. That's nice. You got lots of new cozy clothes. Here, over there on the couch with your
I
other
know,
clothes.
hers is cozy. Some cozy sweats.
Look, this is from Mommy and Daddy. That's for you.
That's for me.
Ooh, wow.
Thank you. Open it. Is that for you?
No, that's for
me.
It's for you?
it's for Amba.
I don't know.
Pull on this part right there.
That's it.
There you go. Book.
Can you get the book?
Think yes.
Lots of paper,
Heaven.
Go. A movie.
A movie. It's
What
about
is it?
your ABCs. Like the guy on the fridge.
Huh?
Is that cool?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
This is from Granny.
Dad,
He's like, what is in there? What's in there, Bubba's? What's that noise? You hear it? What do you think's in there? What's in there? Hurry,
Open it, Ben. Keep pulling.
Open it.
Oh.
You can do it. Here, sit
Getting
back.
a little
What
bit
is it
stuck.
for me?
It sings.
Things.
Is there a cow in there?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What is it?
Hello.
It's cow milk. How cute.
You go bowling, Bubba's.
Oh, it's a bowling. You get to roll this and knock down the milk. That's cute.
Get out of here.
Well,
We'll open
We
it.
still have more presents to open.
He's gonna be out of his tree and not know what to do today.
My present.
Babe,
Yep.
I want a hug.
put this over there.
Go tell Grammy thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you having the best day?
Like this. That's from Uncle Kevin.
Yeah.
Okay, open it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Little Einstein's game.
Oh boy.
That is cool.
Open it.
Well, we'll open it later. That's Blast Off Bingo.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you tell Uncle Kevin?
Benny.
You're welcome.
Here, this is for your
What
daddy.
are we-
Ooh, 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 ooh,
It's
ooh,
okay,
step on
it's
his
okay,
finger.
it's okay.
Here, this is for your daddy. No.
Are you okay?
I weigh a
Let me
lot.
see.
and I
Let me
step
see.
on his hand.
You're all right. Come here. It's okay. It's all right.
Good job, Mom.
So sorry.
See,
I'm so sorry. It was an accident.
Let's open a present. You'll feel better.
Okay.
Is this for him? Is this for him?
I don't know.
We don't
Does it
know.
have a name on
Sorry.
it?
I'm so
No, it doesn't
sorry.
have anything on it.
I remember it's not me.
What
in front of.
Okay.
This one's
Hey,
for me.
this one's for you right here from Papa and Nana. Let me see. That's for Ryan.
That's from Grammy.
This is for you.
Too big.
You can get big presents too. This is for you.
Too big.
That one makes noise too.
Turn it over. This way. Open it that way. There you go. Oh, cute. T-shirt. Oh, those are nice.
Oh,
Those are like
wow.
daddy pants,
Yep.
huh?
That's my pants.
Yeah.
Those are
Oh,
nice.
I'm so sorry. I hurt your finger.
Tell Nana
These little
thank